In this video, I'm going to show you how to number chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Now to do this, you want to go to the settings cogwheel top right, and then from here you want to go to account and settings over here. Now inside account and settings, you first want to enable this, so go to advanced over here, and you want to scroll down to where you can see chart of accounts, click on the edit button and enable account numbers. You can also show account numbers over here if you want to show them in invoices and stuff like that, okay? So of course, when you do that, you can go ahead and click on save, and that's the first part done. Then what you want to do is actually go into settings again and open your chart of accounts. So click on chart of accounts under your company. Here you want to find, of course, the account, and as you can see, I can now add numbers. So to do this, you'll have to basically, of course, click on it like that, and then you'll be able to customize that specific account. That's the first way to do this. However, the quicker way to do this, it's going to be as follows. So if I go back over here to chart of accounts, you can just select the accounts. So you can select all of them. Let me actually go back because this won't stop loading. So if I go to chart of accounts, you can select all of them like this by clicking the check mark button to select all, then go to batch edit, and in here you can just add the numbers very easily. Okay, so you can just do like 1 2 3 4 5 whatever. Then when you're done, click on the save button and you're good to go. You've successfully added numbers to basically your accounts in chart of accounts. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.